Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you find this video helpful and intuitive enough for you, please leave a comment, or if you have questions, also leave a comment. I'll be sure to answer them. So in this playlist, this will be the last of the series of playlists that we've created for Python and Selenium. This will be talking about BDD. So we are going to look at BDD, but we are going to start from scratch, unlike the way we did TDD, where we used the existing repository from our page object modeling playlist. So I would recommend that you start with the page object modeling playlist so you understand how to write simple script with Python and Selenium before you get on with TDD or you try BDD. But in this BDD, in case you just don't want to go through the process of going through the page object modeling, I would do some practical page object modeling here, and we get into BDD. And the site that we're going to use for this is this, because I want to use this site unlike the previous site that we used for the TDD and the page object modeling. I wanted to use this site because it will be able to help us do some of the features of BDD, like using the data table, creating scenario outline, and also at some point we will use hooks. So the journey that I'm going to capture in this BDD is, as a standard user, we can log in, then we can add to cart and verify the cart, like by clicking it and see that the item is there. We know the name of the item. Then at some point we'll also look at checking out, adding something there, user, and I'm putting the postcode, right? Then clicking continue, then we click finish to do this. So we get through this journey in our code, and we'll also try to do the same for a glitch user. We'll log in. Okay, logging on a glitch user takes some time. Then we'll probably add this to cart, go to cart, checkout, fill in the same details, and continue, then click on finish to do the order. So we'll do these two steps and we'll use it to explain all other scenarios in BDD. So bear in mind, these are the things that we are going to do. So in the next video, it might be a bit lengthy. It might be a bit lengthy in the sense that I will try to create the whole structure of page object modeling first, where I'll create the data element. I would create the page object steps, and I would also, okay, yes, I think I'll just create data element and the page object step. But to make things faster, I think I've created it before we start the next video, because I want to make sure that we don't have a very lengthy video for every one of the playlists, so people will not be bored. So if you've gotten to this end with me, thank you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and in the next video we'll already have a working process where we have the data element already mapped somewhere and the page object class is already created. So that way we will be able to move faster. So bye bye and see you in the next video.